Hi folks, welcome to Dutchy Cooking. Today we're going to have a fun cook. We're going to be making spam Balti for Spamtember. It's Dutch oven cooking, cast iron cooking, live fire cooking, or you're just here for the recipes. Don't forget to subscribe. We've already got our charcoal up to cooking temperature. We're just going to put this little cast iron Balti dish on. It's a dry pan. To this we're going to add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Just going to give these a good mix in. We're just going to toast these until they start giving off a nice aroma. You don't want to take them too far, we don't want to burn them. So that's it, done. We're going to remove these and we're going to put them in a dish and put these aside to cool. So I'm going to pop the same Balti dish back on. To this we're going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. Let this go up to temperature. Just coat the bottom of the pan with it. To this we're going to add 1 cinnamon stick and 1 teaspoon of black mustard seeds. Just going to cook these off for a few seconds. You'll hear the mustard seeds popping. To this we're going to add 1 small chopped onion. Gently fry these off for a couple of minutes just so they start going translucent. Once we're at that stage we're going to add 1 chopped garlic clove, and 1 teaspoon of ginger puree. These are the basics for all good curries. Just going to give these a good mix in. I'm going to fry them off for about a minute. To this now we're going to add 1 chopped tomato. And the garam masala mix we made earlier, we're going to add that back in. Combine it all together. I'm going to cook this for a couple of minutes. Next thing to do is to add some water. I'm just going to add enough to almost cover these dry ingredients. Give all this a good mix in. We're looking to cook this for about 10 minutes. We're looking for the tomatoes to cook down into more of a pulp. Now it's time to add our spam. This is a 200 gram tin of spam, and look, it even comes ready chopped. So I'm just going to combine the spam into the curry mix now, and all we need to do is let this go for 5 or 10 minutes just to warm the spam through. After it's warmed through, I'm going to add the juice of half a lemon and just give it a couple more minutes. That's it, ready. there we have spam Balti. So we're just going to serve our spam Balti with some jasmine rice and some toasted naan bread.
That is fucking nice.
If you like what we're doing here at Dutchy Cooking, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell.